everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, the All Odia cuisine, and today I'm going to make one more authentic Odia recipe, the raw pumpkin and lentil curry. This is a super delicious and nutritious side dish, so let's quickly check on how to make it. To make the recipe, here I have taken one raw pumpkin with some leaves and stems. The leaves and stems are optional. If you want to add them to your curry, then just go for it. And if not, you can completely avoid it. So chop the pumpkin leaves and stems nicely into small pieces and put them into a water bowl to wash them. Next, cut the raw pumpkin into small pieces. As you can see, the pumpkin has not ripened at all. Just cut them into small pieces. Put them into the water bowl and wash them thoroughly. Once you have washed the raw pumpkin, take it out and keep aside. Next, wash 1 cup of small yellow lentils or the moong lentil. Wash them thoroughly and put them straight into a wok or a pan. When the lentil starts boiling, add the raw pumpkin, the leaves and the stems. And if you want to add some extra vegetables like raw banana or eggplant, you can just add them with this. Add half a cup of grated coconut. If possible, then add the fresh grated coconut, which will taste even better. And half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. To this, add salt to taste, around half a teaspoon. Now cover the wok and let it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium-high heat till the lentils are cooked properly. So it's been 15 minutes and the raw pumpkin and lentils are cooked properly. Give it a nice and gentle mix and take it out in a bowl. Now I'm going to temper the lentil, and for that, in a wok I will take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can also add any other cooking oil, but the mustard oil is going to give it a nice taste. To this I'm going to add the 5 spice mix, and when the seeds crackle, I'm going to add a pinch and 2 of hing or the Asafoetida. And without waiting, I'm going to add the crushed green chili, ginger, garlic and onion straight into the wok. These are the basic flavors of this recipe, so make sure to add these ingredients to bring that nice authentic taste. Give the spices and masala a nice mix. This looks delicious and aromatic. And when the raw smell of the onion and garlic is gone, add the cooked lentil and raw pumpkin straight into the wok. And give it a nice mix. If you want to make it little more gravy, you can add half a cup of water, and if not, you can just let it to be dry. Turn off the stove and take it out. Serve hot with steamed rice or chapati. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time there is an update. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.